Today's lesson is lesson 62, how to subtract a multiple of 10 from a number and how to estimate differences. So we can use the subtraction facts we've learned to help us subtract larger numbers. So today you're going to find answers for problems such as 80 minus 70. So before we get started, we're going to think, how much is 8 dimes minus 7 dimes? Well, I know 8 minus 7 equals 1. So I'm going to have 1 dime. Okay. How much money is 8 dimes? Well, 8 dimes is 80 cents. And 7 dimes is 70 cents. And 1 dime is 10 cents. So with the knowledge we have, we found that 80 minus 70 equals 10. All right, what about 4 dimes minus 1 dime? Well, I know 4 minus 1 equals 3, so 3 dimes. Okay, so 40 dimes is how much money? 40 dimes is 40 cents. 1 dime is 10 cents. And 3 dimes is the same as 30 cents. So we know that 40 minus 10 equals 30. Let's do one more. 7 dimes minus 2 dimes. Okay, so I know that 7 minus 2 is 5, and then dimes for my label. So 7 dimes equals 70 cents. 2 dimes equals 20 cents. And 5 dimes equals 50 cents. So did you notice a pattern? The pattern when we minus by tens is that all I'm doing is subtracting the first numbers in the first part of each number. So the 4 minus 10 equals 3, or 4 minus 1 equals 3, and I add a 0 to it. Okay, 7 minus 2 equals 5, and then since it's 70 minus 20, I add a 0 to it. Okay, all right, so let's do these. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. So 80 minus 10 would equal 70. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So 50 minus 40 would equal 10. Do you see how I'm just adding that 0? 6 minus 2 equals 4. So 60 minus 20 would equal 40. Okay. All right, what about 85 minus 10? So in this case, the number's going to be the same, other than I'm going to subtract 1 from the first number. So 85 minus 10 would equal 75. 52 minus 40, we just subtract the first two numbers. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and then I put the 2 at the end. 67 minus 20 would be 6 minus 2 is 4 with the 7. And 91 minus 70, well, 9 minus 7 is 2, and then I just keep the 1 at the end. Okay. All right, and this one it wants me to estimate 78 cents minus 21 cents. So you notice neither of these numbers are groups of 10 or multiples of 10. And sometimes we don't need to know the exact difference. When I go to the store and I want to know how much change I get back, I can estimate. Okay? To estimate, I'm going to round these numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10 cents. Okay? So 78 cents is really close to 80 cents. And 21 cents is really close to 20 cents. It's much closer to 20 than it is to 30. Okay? So if I do 80 minus 20 cents, I know that equals 60 cents, because 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay? So I know that 78 minus 21 is going to be about 60 cents. So if I solved it, my answer would actually be, let's see, 57 cents, which you notice is really close to 60. Okay, so let's estimate these ones. 42 cents minus 33, round it to the nearest 10 cents. So that would be 42 cents rounds to 40. 33 cents rounds to 30. 40 minus 30 equals 10 cents. Okay, 58 cents minus 19 cents. Let's round these. 58 is really close to 60, and 19 is really close to 20. So we're going to do 60 cents minus 20 cents, and that equals 40 cents. Okay? All right, and that is it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.